Do you ever feel that your tiny space can never give you peace? Many people believe a relaxing garden is only possible if you have a big yard. That mindset is what keeps most people stuck, surrounded by clutter, wishing for serenity but never creating it. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below. Because today, I'll show you how to design a relaxing small garden in 2025 that brings serenity even to the tiniest space. A relaxing garden starts with simplicity. Remove what doesn't serve you. Broken pots, old decor, unnecessary clutter. The less distraction you have, the more peace you feel. In 2025, the trend is shifting towards clean, open designs where every plant has its own space to breathe. Focus on plants that calm the mind. Green ferns, aloe vera, lavender, and peace lilies are wonderful choices. Their colors are soft, their growth is manageable, and their presence feels soothing. Even in a tiny space, just 3 to 4 plants can transform your mood. Next, think about serenity through sound and scent. A small wind chime or a bowl fountain with gentle water trickling adds harmony. The soft fragrance of jasmine or mint instantly lifts your mind and helps you unwind. Seating is another secret. Place a simple chair, stool, or cushion in your garden corner. When you sit in silence, surrounded by greenery, even the smallest space feels like a retreat. And don't forget soft lighting. In 2025, natural solar lanterns and fairy glow lights are trending. They don't overpower the space. They add a quiet glow, perfect for evenings of peace and reflection. So if you've ever felt your tiny space can never bring you serenity, remember, it's not about size, it's about design. With the right choices, even the smallest garden can become your calm escape. Thank you for joining me on Garden Glow. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Which relaxing garden idea will you try to create your serene corner in 2025?